you don't know what BBK means, rude boy, check out the top. Boy, better know, yeah, it's on my snapback too, but they cost a lot. Like I ain't told you already, bear man to get the elbow drop. If you don't know about Deco by now, rude boy, check out the beats. If you don't know about Deco by now, rude boy, check out the beats. Jump online at D33Co and check out the tweets. If you wanna chat shit, then bear man, forget the block and delete. What? Fam, that's poor, bringing them bars to a lyrical war. Your ego won't fit through the door, but your whole vocabulary will fit in one tweet. With no TMI, hashtag no BMI. You can ask Chip, I'm fire alive. Now I'm gonna reach for the sky. I don't do it how they didn't wanna do it, I do it how they used to do it, but now they can't do it anymore. Now they see me doing it and they wanna do it, but you can see obviously I'm doing it more. Why you stuttering for? The mic's in your hand, yeah, but you're not sure. JME will mash up a crime set, house set, dubstep, or 4-4. Carbon fiber on my whip, carbon fiber on my crep. You will get a box in the lip if you diss Frisco or Skep. You can't tell me shit, you know who I rep. Old type Sanjay lit, them man there from early. People that like good music know how to hunt it down. Any stage show, I'll bun it down. Been doing this thing since 2003, so don't come here now chatting shit like, oh my god, JME, that grime stuff is so in right now. At our label, yeah, with blood, shut your mouth, I don't wanna talk. Keep your bread and your knife and fork. Don't waste time coming here chatting shit to me, blood. We're like cheese and chalk. Chalk and cheese, stop talking, please. Do 180 degrees and keep talking, breathe. No, don't ask for my number or email. No way from I don't want spam. You'll get a punch in the nose like blam. If you're desperate, then holler at Sam. Can't get through, yeah, that was the plan. Leave me alone, rude boy, just jam. Take the hit, stop talking in my face, take a minute. I don't want your help, and I wouldn't take money from you if I was skin.
Listen to my lyrical tone in the microphone. Man, back to the microphone, back to the microphone, back to the bone. Listen to my lyrical tone. Listen to my, cause I think I need pen and paper. Think it's time to ban another faker. 2 minute MC per translator. Mix my data with their data. What does that equal? Blood imitator. If you deny that blood, you're a hater. I can hear your styles getting beta. Don't you know that I'm the originator? Do my thing on the road, medicator. Serving food, but I ain't no waiter. Minding my own beat, making my paper. Blood, I beg you, do me a favor. Don't be slipping, blood, I will take ya. Don't be sleeping, blood, I will wake ya. Then send you straight back to your maker. I wanna get a flight back to Jamaica. Yeah, I'm a typewriter, punching out lines just like a typewriter. Don't feel you cause you're not my type of writer. Think you heavy, but really a lighter. Your shit plus, furthermore, you're a fighter. Without your friend, you ain't really a fighter. You're the shit into the diaper, that's why man don't lay you down with the cider. The same for the younger, the little bike rider. Send him on a mission, give him a score diver. Tell him to lick shots, use a diver. Let's see who comes out as a survivor. Show you the E7 young cause I ride a young baby father. Still a provider, peace in the pocket and everything's lighter. To put a couple shells inside her. Don't let me get old school. Just like a builder, we carry those tools. Like a sport without no rules. Man, I'm running without no balls. And man, are getting injured, kicked in the balls. You and your team ain't got no balls. You're pussy, your blood, you ain't got no balls. Swimming in the deepest end of the pool. Get comp with the deepest end of the tool. If you fuck around with the man, them you fool. Just like the Twin Towers, you fool. We got the most powers overall. I will send your head top over the roof. You try fuck around with a dirty stang. I'll come around with a dirty shank. Ready for the war like 30 tanks. I'm chilling in the alley. Hogging the ling on my lap and I'm ready to put on the valley. No diddy dally. You be a memory like Camden Pally. I don't care if you come with a couple man. I don't care if you come with a galley. Cause I'm still gonna pull out the shally. And that's just to make an impression. I'm gonna give you a whole through the impression. I won't knock down, this is the first session. I'm a big man, I'm no adolescent. So I'm gonna show man and teach man a lesson. Turn this into a western. With a Smith and Wesson glove. There's no thing on a weapon, love. Get none of that manly section. Does she fight a fall? In the go man, does she fight a fall? Man, I'm stepping on the gear to the wall. I mean, got mashed like gear to the wall. Think it's a game, does she fight a fall? In the go man, does she fight a fall? Man, I'm stepping on the gear to the wall. I mean, got mashed like gear to the wall. It's now to big worry. Don't watch that cause I'm in the war too. Ready to kick off for World War II. With the generals behind, ready for the war too. Worry. Don't watch that cause I'm in the war too. Ready to kick off for World War II. With the generals behind, ready for the war too. I'm not running from him, we told you that. You're gonna see me till I swear down today. I'll boy off the thing, you're not the guy, don't wanna see you grin. That's it, now you're singing laughing out, but your whole life's in the brim. Hard to trust in my hand, black right the thing, you look in my eye, but you don't know what you think. Boy, that's you dead in the blink, you open out. You can put ice in the thing, it's over now. But you wish you could tint, it's harder now, your spirit's starting to sing. I used to have 10 youths knocking my door, asking me to roll out and lick cars. Now I got 25 youths knocking my door, still asking me to spit bars. At least they're not knocking and running, plotting and gunning, shotting and bunning. If my crew knocked man's door back in the day, it'll be to hot him and running 20 past 4 in the morning. And I'm still up, I ate too late. My belly got filled up, all the man them look tired. Now I don't blaze, but I can bill up. So if I get bored, I'm like, bill it. At studio, I'm like, kill it. Then I duck from the room and I jump in the booth and I dump on the tune. Rude boy, hush. Don't ask me why I'm in a rush. Don't ask me why I'm not tweeting. I'm in Red Cross, man, I'm shopping in Lush. If you know me, phone me. I'ma go eat on my lonelies. I'm in Nando's with a veggie wrap, or I'm sitting in Leon, munching a Goldie.
whichever one's nearer. Vegan, now I see clearer. No meat, no cheese, no milk, no eggs. Don't believe me, ask Sarah. Stop staring, you're not full, right? Only put good food in my jaw side. Sensodyne classic Listerine citrus, cause I don't wanna have no food.
You'll be making the biggest mistake, thinking I ain't on it. Magic coin, if it lands on tails, turn you into Sonic. You'll be like a Chelsea fan screaming for the boys in blue. Are you really gonna do it? Only if you knew.
I'm like, check me out, real talk, check me out. If you knew that I worked, then you would've asked why. You and your boy go stretch it out. Mixing this with rap, no decks about. And test reflexes out. But I should've never done it, cause now you snitch. The whole end's got inspectors out. Easy, trapped about, undercovers and big detectives out. And the only place you need witness protection. You know what happens. And if the deck was shot, the morgue of the cost. The line was there, but even Javi wouldn't pass it. So tell me when it's charged, because now you got more holding you than a net on a basket.
You'll be making the biggest mistake, thinking I ain't on it. Magic coin, if it lands on tails, turn you into Sonic. You'll be like a Chelsea fan screaming for the boys in blue. Are you really gonna do it? Only if you knew. Only if you knew. Only if you knew. Only if you knew. You'll be like a Chelsea fan screaming for the boys in blue.
Any competition, sign me up. I make a boss out like Tiny does. Keep thinking I'm a piece of cake. I tell the fat boy, come try me, blood. Can't slime me, blood. Not even a bar can line me up. Tell this summer you'll be there with 2 baby nines. I want some slimy stuff. Get me, you slimy mug. You get hiding if you find me, bro. Keep talking all this kidnap stuff. Get laced in the face about sign me up. Can't brand me, bro. I do not pay, don't find me, bro. I've got boxes for different assaults and I start.
Fuck. Fuck.
I don't always tell the truth, but what if you did? I'ma be there in a minute, I'ma need to see some proof. I ain't seeing in a minute. I ain't seeing in a minute, I've been playing by the rules. I ain't seeing in a minute. I ain't seeing in a minute or two. Heard you got a man, is that true? But I'd rather fuck with you, is that cool? They always come back if they pass due. Now you here to stay a statue. Now you here today. It's kinda weird today, I left you. Now you here today, it's kinda weird cause they let everybody go except who? Let everybody know except you. Nothing less than the truth, even when I'm lying. One hand on the Bible. What you say you never do? Nothing ever remains, ain't nothing wrong with changing unless it's loose. I know you wanna bend the rules, be the one and that's cool, but that shit ain't you. Can't connect ourselves, let the truth be told. Let's dig for gold. Let's dig for gold, let's dig for gold, let's dig for gold. Let's dig for gold, let's dig for gold, let's dig for gold. Let's dig for gold, let's dig for gold, let's dig for gold. Let's dig for gold, let's dig for gold. They never come cool. Let's dig for gold. I ain't seen in a minute. I ain't seen in a minute. I've been playing by the rules. I ain't seen. See the truth is. I ain't seen in a minute. I ain't see the truth is. I ain't seen in a minute. I've been playing by the rules. I ain't seen the truth is.
can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, need you. Where are you now that I need you?
Meet me in
broke. I don't care, I'm down for what you want. Small, be broke. I don't care, I'm down for what you want. What you want. Now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me. Swear it won't take you long if you love me right. We fuck for life, on and on and on. Now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me. Swear it won't take you long if you love me right. We fuck for life, on and on and on. Love, give me love. Anything you want, I'll give it up. Lips, I kiss. Body while I taste your fingertips. Lay drunk into the night. Wanna keep you here, 'cause you dry my tears. Yes, I'm up loving in fights. How it is for us, and it's all because now if we're talking about on and on and on. Now if we're talking on and on and on. Now if we're tears in the light. Somewhere in the shadows you appear. Wish I could make it right, so I can stop seeing your face in the mirror. I see your ghost at night. Every time I close my eyes, I see your ghost at night. Every time see your ghost at night. Every time I close my eyes, I see your ghost at night. Every
Back in the day, I used to play tunes from midnight till 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, straight non-stop. But those are the old days. These are the new days. So it's half hour, juggling down till daylight.
Why you bad, no bitch? You bad. You bad.
searching for food for the pot, and they'll do anything to fill that gap. Lord, in the streets it's getting hot, and the world searching for food for the pot, and they'll do anything to fill that gap.
It's M.A.D, got me feeling fucking horny. Where's all the dirty girls? Let's get naughty. She could have been 18, she could have been fucking 40. I paid for the hotel so we can have an orgy. It's M.A.D, got me feeling fucking horny. Where's all the dirty girls? Let's get naughty. She could have been 18, she could have been fucking 40. This M.A.D got me feeling fucking horny. M.A.D got me feeling fucking hum. This M.A.D got me feeling fucking horny. Got me feeling fucking horny. This M.A.D got me feeling fucking horny. I love my drum and bass, she's a fascinating bitch. I love it when she's horny and she masturbates a bit. I love my drum and bass, she's a fascinating bitch. I love it when she's horny and she masturbates a bit. I love my drum and bass, she's a fascinating bitch. I love it when she's horny and she masturbates a bit. I love my drum and bass, she's a fascinating bitch. I love my drum and bass, she's shit. It's M.A.D got me feeling fucking horny. Where's all the dirty girls? Let's get naughty. She could have been 18, she could have been fucking 40. I paid for the hotel so we can have an orgy. This M.A.D got me feeling fucking horny. Where's all the dirty girls? Let's get naughty. She could have been 18, she could have been fucking 40. This M.A.D got me feeling fucking horny. M.A.D got me feeling fucking horny. This M.A.D got me feeling fucking horny.
feeling fucking horny.